Hi, I'm Dr. Jamie Luetkemeyer. I'm a family medicine physician at MU Healthcare. I just really loved science as a kid and really loved school and learning, and I think I liked the idea of being in a career where I could help people. So I see patients who are sick, I see patients who are well. That's one of my favorite parts of my job, is doing lots of preventative care and just really working with people on what their concerns are and trying to work on making them as healthy as we can. Probably one of my best strengths, I think, as a physician is that I really care about my patients. So I think that kind of goes back to really developing that relationship. I think it's important that patients feel heard and they get to express their concerns, ask lots of questions, and have a provider that listens to them and is able to help them through what they need. One of the cool things about being a physician and being in healthcare is that it's always changing. And so, part of our job is to try to evolve as science evolves and technology and medicine evolves. And so trying to keep up to date on things is really important. I try to really look towards evidence-based medicine, guidelines, peer-reviewed journals that help me make decisions for my patients to help them to be the healthiest that they can be. Patient-centered care is super important. Patients are at the center of everything that we do. At day-to-day, seeing patients in the clinic and answering questions outside of clinic. I think putting them first is what we all should be doing, and making sure that they feel comfortable with what we're doing with their health and their health care, and they're a big part of that decision-making process. ME is awesome. Obviously, I love the Tigers, but it's a great institution to work for. We have lots of options as far as primary care, but also specialty care, and it's a great resource that we have for our Central Missouri community.